Hello Kunomailers and welcome to a new short video tutorial. In our today's video tutorial I want to show you how you can search in Kunomail. So there are different ways. For example, we start here with this email. If you want to search in this email, you can go here to the context menu, edit, and then for example here search in email. Then this will be open here, the search file, or you can close it and then just here search in email, you click on this icon. For example, if you search for team, here it's team, it will be highlighted. That's a search in the email, or you can go to the advanced search. Here you have more possibilities. For example, here you can type in what you're looking for. Then you can say, okay, I want to limit the search period, so I don't want to search. If you don't type it in here and if you don't click it, then Kunomail will search all your parameters in the whole time. Okay. If you say I just want to have the last year, then choose it and then click here, limit search period. Then you can say here, search here in this file, what you search in the sender address, search in the subject, or you also can search in the email body. And the search takes a little bit more. It depends on your size of your email account and your emails in this account. Here you can say search the select email account. Yeah. I'm standing here, or search all email accounts or search in your local folders. Okay, I just search now here in all email accounts. For example, I just want to show you with an email address. I'm looking for xps at kunomail.de and I start searching. Okay, all my emails search, and now here I have the result. In all email accounts, I've searched in all email accounts. Here is the sender xps at kunomail.de, and here the other one, the recipients. Okay, and if you just click here on this, okay, then this email will be open, and here, and this was an invitation for Kunomail Connect. No, I don't want to add this contact now. And this email here will be shown direct here in the screen. And back to the other one. Now here is the test email. And so you can see your email here in the background. Okay, and just close it, and yeah, and you can, it's a test email, for example, you can delete it or you can move it to your local folders. Okay, I hope you enjoy this little video about searching in Kunomail. Have a nice evening or nice day, and greetings from Berlin. Bye, your Kunomail team.